Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Everlast Pro Style Training Gloves. With a shape that seamlessly contours to your fist, these professional style gloves are designed to provide the best punching experience possible. The dual layer foam padding is dense enough to provide excellent shock absorption and prevent the onset of hand fatigue. With these boxing gloves, you can learn and execute professional punching techniques because all sides are fully padded, including the front, back, and wrist. The synthetic leather used to make these gloves ensures their long-term durability. The gloves have a hook and loop closure system that makes them very easy to put on and take off. These gloves also have a triple density gel padding that does an excellent job of cushioning your hands and preventing strain or injury. The Velcro wrist strap is simple to open and close and stretchable, keeping the wrist stable and protected. Our second best boxing gloves is Hayabusa T3 boxing gloves. This pair is notable for its double straps around the wrist, which protect your joints. The multi-layer foam protects your knuckles and allows you to strike with confidence, while the liner keeps your hands cool. You need a glove that checks all of the boxes, from protection and comfort to durability and fit. T3 boxing gloves do just that, with a decade of sports science and research to back it up. This modern training glove offers world-renowned protection with patented technology of a new era. Interior fabric feels smooth and cool on your hands and helps to regulate your hand temperature. Two interlocking Velcro wrist straps adjust to fit your hands perfectly for boxing, mixed martial arts, kickboxing, and Muay Thai. Dual wrist straps and splinting system work together to keep your wrists aligned with each punch. It locks your wrists in place when you strap up, preventing risky and damaging bends. Premium foam technology absorbs impacts, dispersing energy for unparalleled knuckle protection during training or sparring. Let's watch more.
Artists or just doing general fitness, it's important to select a glove that has good knuckle and wrist protection. So when throwing a punch, you really want to make sure your knuckles are in line with your wrist. Any misalignment can cause injury and prevent you from training. So this is where the Hayabusa T3 glove really has you covered, and there's a reason why they won Best Boxing Gloves 2 years in a row from Men's Health. And it all starts with the world-renowned leaders in wrist technology with their double strap. Once that double strap is on, you really have that comfort to be able to throw that punch as hard as you can. And that's an important part when learning the technique. It doesn't stop there. You also have superior knuckle protection to prevent your knuckles from bruising and allowing you to train the next day. The last thing you want is bruised knuckles and a sore wrist to keep you away from the gym. An important design feature I like about the glove is its sleek design. A lot of gloves you will find in the market have this big bulky look to them, which gives it a more amateur feel. But the sleek design, the texture on the outside, gives you a nice professional feel and helps you get your punches down the middle without a bulky look. On top of the knuckle and wrist protection, it's important to find a glove that looks good and fits well. The interior of the glove has a breathable mesh, an inner pocket design, as well as an ergonomic thumb position, which almost makes the glove feel like a custom fit for your hand, as well as a sweat-absorbing thumb that keeps you dry during training. So make sure you take advantage of these world-renowned features and check out the Hayabusa T3 boxing glove.
Third choice in our list is Sanibel Essential Gloves. The snug fit of these boxing gloves provides excellent hand protection, while the vibrant color options allow you to choose a pair that best matches your style. The gloves are intended for use by boxers of all skill levels, from novice to advanced. These boxing gloves' durable engineered leather material can easily withstand high-intensity punching without showing any visible signs of wear and tear. The gloves are intelligently gel-infused to absorb shocks, allowing you to punch as hard as you want without feeling any undeserved pain. In addition to providing a snug fit, the straps provide enhanced wrist protection. The Essential Striking series was created to give you professional gear at entry-level affordability. Our gloves keep your hands snug and protected inside, with vivid sandable colors on the outside. Or, go all black for that understated look. For details, let's watch more.
I teach millions of people from around the world how to get better at boxing on my YouTube channel, and today I'm showing you these, the Essential Gloves by Sanabul. And these right here are the perfect gloves for any beginner. Not only do they have gel in their knuckles for extra protection and a great wrist support and air ductlets inside, they're very, very comfortable. There is a reason why these are the top reviewed boxing gloves out there and trusted by thousands of people. They are legit and I highly recommend them as well. They're very affordable, so give them a try. They're Essential Gloves.
Number 4 in our side is Tridier Pro Grade Boxing Gloves. These boxing gloves are extremely breathable, with a mesh lining that keeps your hands cool and dry while also preventing sweat and odor from building up inside the gloves. Because of the synthetic leather covering's long-lasting durability, these gloves will last you hundreds of practice sessions. This pair of boxing gloves has a wrist strap that completely wraps around your wrists to keep them stable for increased safety and to provide a snug fit to the user. The hook and loop closure is also simple to use, making it easy to put on and take off the gloves. The glove's innovative design ensures that your fist closes properly, allowing you to deliver high-impact punches every time. Multi-layered foam padding allows for unparalleled shock absorption and impact resistance, providing the best protection for both you and your sparring fighter. Breathable mesh for cool, dry and comfortable wear. Pre-curved anatomic hand design allowing for proper fist closure and maintaining focus while boxing training. Last in our top 5 best boxing gloves list is Libre Boxing Gloves. These boxing gloves have multiple layers of padding that provide unparalleled shock absorption to ensure your hands are well protected throughout a practice session or a match. The ultra-resilient synthetic leather covering on these boxing gloves ensures long-lasting durability and makes cleaning with a damp cloth a breeze. The wrist strap securely grips your wrist with an adjustable hook and loop closure, ensuring that the gloves are easy to put on and take off and stay in place. The breathable mesh nylon lining on the inside of the gloves, which repels moisture and keeps your hands cool, dry, and comfortable, is perhaps the most notable feature. Full wraparound wrist strap with hook and loop closure assures a secure, no-slip, custom fit for each and every fighter. Can be easily put on and conveniently taken off. Breathable mesh for cool, dry, and comfortable wear. Skin-friendly nylon liner is extremely comfortable and wicks sweat away in the gloves. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.